see it? Right here? I don't think you're looking at it. Okay, now you can. You focus. Alright. While the camera focuses, we are underneath the passenger side removing the O2 sensor, which is this thing right here. And we pretty much broke it loose. As you can see, it's spinning. This right here, let me see if you can get it. Can you get it?
Yes.
You got it? This is the harness clip that clips into this here, which we already unclipped. It's not passing through this little zip tie, which is no problem. I'm gonna just go ahead and clip the head off since we're trashing this O2 sensor and replacing it with a new one. So, but this is a harness clip that you unclip here, and then you unscrew the O2 sensor, and you pretty much just remove and replace.
And that's what 22 it was?
That is the size 22. Size 22 wrench. If you don't have an O2 sensor socket, which I don't have the O2 sensor socket, so the size 22 wrench did the job. We broke it loose. We unclipped the harness that's up here, right here, and we're gonna just remove and replace. All right, we're back with the new one, and we just got to line it up in here somehow. Drop it into the hole. Let's see if I can. Let me see if I can get in here real good. Okay, maybe move this hand like this. So the whole thing, the ideal here is to get this O2 sensor to catch. There you go. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. We need some line. Let me see. Let me see. It should be in there. There you go. I think it's in now.
Yeah.
Let me remove that hand so that you guys can see that it caught the grooves. So I'm gonna continue to turn this sensor until I can't anymore with my hand, and I'd be putting that 22-inch wrench, size 22 wrench, and give it a little tighten. Okay, there is the O2 sensor. That's the new AC Delco sensor. No. What sensor is that? Is it standard?
Yeah.
No, this is Bosch. It's a Bosch sensor, O2 sensor. O2 sensor is replaced, and the connector right there, the harness, that's connected. And we're ready to jump over to the driver's side. Alright guys, we're back on this driver's side O2 sensor, and we already removed the old one. This one was a lot easier actually to get off. We did use the size 22 wrench. Let's see. Let's see if I can get this in here. Shit's not working.
No?
There it goes. We got it on there. That there is finger tight. I'm gonna go ahead and get that size 22 wrench and give a little tightening. Connect the harness. Zippy tie it so it's out of the way of all the heat and stuff. And that's it. That's putting the O2 sensors on a 1993 Chevy Corvette. We replaced 2 sensors. It only has 2 sensors. Bosch oxygen sensor. From here, we will be jumping over into the spark plug and wires, I believe. And we also got a fuel filter we're going to be replacing. And all those replacements, you'll be right along with us.